When our project was over, we still agreed to hang out afterward and got even closer. I couldn't stop thinking about him, and finally had the courage to ask him out one day. During one of our typical hangouts, I brought up the topic of us. He looked at me confused and asked what I meant. I told him I had feelings for him for a long time and asked if he wanted to be more than friends. His smile disappeared, and he said, "I'm sorry, but no." There was an awkward silence that seemed to last forever. He broke the silence by saying he needed to go and left. I tried texting him, apologizing for what happened, and asking if we could just forget about it. He never responded to my messages. When I saw him again in class, it was like he had erased me from his memory.